Then to update the concurrent program, you will have two ways to include the batch number. One will be going in the system administration and then programs. And then you will look for the program that in this case is this one, GLDRICCP, or also you can find it for the name that is the program daily rates import and calculation. Press update and then parameters. And in the parameters, you need to ensure that that is displayed. In my case, it's already displayed, but if it's say no, that is a default no, you will just change that from yes to no and then apply. And then that will be the way number 1. The way number 2 will be through the forms in Oracle, where you will go to the program define form, that in this case is here. And then I will go to the concurrent program define. And then I will look for the GL rates import program. Oops. Then it's this one, program daily rates import and calculation, the GLDRICCP. Then if you see, it's exactly the same one. I will go to parameters, and in the parameters, the only thing that I will change is this display from yes to no, and then after save it, and then that also will have the same effect. You can use one or the other. You need to use both. One or the other, that will be fine.